Got a new iPhone? Well, congratulations. Now you are looking to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone. If yes, this video is for you. Watch this video full and follow the method by downloading the application from the links in description and pin comment to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone without factory reset iPhone. Hey folks, massive Akhil from W Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone without factory reset iPhone. Folks, Apple offers a neat Move to iOS tool to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone for Android users, but it's hit or miss and does not always work with WhatsApp transfer. So if you continue to run into errors with Move to iOS and are looking for best Move to iOS alternative, that's exactly what I am going to share with you all in this video. But before I start, if you are new to W Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. Fine, let's begin to know how to transfer WhatsApp to a new iPhone, and for this we will be using Tenorshare iCareFone transfer. It is the best Move to iOS alternative to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone without reset your iPhone. Not only it can transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone, but can also transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to Android, Android to Android, or iPhone to iPhone. Also offers one-click WhatsApp chats backup to PC or Mac and can fully restore WhatsApp to iPhone, iPad or Android. Wow, that's impressive. Let's give it a try, and for that click on free download. It starts downloading. Once Tenorshare iCareFone transfer free download completes, click on it to start with the installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation. Once done, click on this to open Tenorshare iCareFone transfer. Here we have iCareFone transfer with all its features and capabilities. Let's know how to use Tenorshare iCareFone transfer to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone. But before I start, let me show you the data I am looking to transfer. Here is my Android phone which has WhatsApp with chats that has images, videos, voice notes and stickers. Now let's move to Tenorshare iCareFone transfer and click on WhatsApp. Now here we will be required to connect our devices. Connected Android phone. Now we will be required to allow USB debugging. Tap on allow and see here it shows Samsung Galaxy 13 in source device. Next, connected my iPhone. We will see trust this computer notification. Tap on trust and our iPhone will get connected. Once both devices are connected, click on transfer. Now we will get a warning that any data on our iPhone's WhatsApp will be overwritten. Click on continue. Next, we need to create end-to-end encrypted backup. Follow the steps to do it. Open WhatsApp, tap on three dots and then tap on settings. Now tap on chats and then chat backup. Tap on end-to-end encrypted backup. Next, tap on turn on and click on use 64-digit encryption key instead. Now tap on generate your 64-digit key. Next, it will generate your encryption key. Take a screenshot so that we can use it later. Next, tap on continue. Now tap on I saved my 64-digit key. Next, we need to create end-to-end encrypted backup, and for that tap on create. Once done, click on select backup history. Here we will have our latest WhatsApp backup. Click on continue. Now Tenorshare iCareFone transfer will start getting WhatsApp data from source device. Now we will be required to enter 64-digit encryption key using the screenshot and then click on verify. Next, it will start generating data that can be restored. From here we can select the data we want to transfer. Let's not change anything and click on continue. Now we will be required to log into WhatsApp on iPhone. Open WhatsApp, then tap on agree and continue. Next, enter your number and verify it. Once done, click on logged in. Next, we will be required to turn off Find My iPhone on our iPhone. Follow the steps to do it. Open settings and then profile. Next, tap on iCloud. Scroll down and here we have Find My iPhone. Tap on it and now toggle this off. Enter Apple ID and then tap on turn off. This will turn off Find My iPhone. Once done, click on try again. It will start restoring data to target device and boom, transfer successfully. iPhone will restart, and once you open WhatsApp, it will have chats with images, videos, voice notes and stickers. Wow, that's impressive. Same way, you can also transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone without factory reset iPhone using iCareFone transfer. Now you may ask, is Tenorshare iCareFone transfer free to use? Well, it's not free. We will require plans to use it. So now let's talk about Tenorshare iCareFone transfer pricing plans. Here we are back on official website. Now click on buy now. Here we have different pricing plans. You can choose your plan as per your requirement. Well, that's not it. I have an exclusive coupon code for you all. You can use this coupon code to get 30% discount. Wow, is not that amazing? And this is best WhatsApp transfer tool alternative for Move to iOS not working solution. So what are you waiting for? Find the links in description and pin comment to try out Tenorshare iCareFone transfer. If you are looking to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone without factory reset your iPhone. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video. Also share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to WM Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Tech Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Forgot iPhone passcode and want to unlock iPhone without passcode or Face ID? If yes, this video is for you. Forgot Android phone password and want to unlock Android phone without password? If yes, this video is for you.